if you're experiencing frame stuttering in EAFC25, follow these steps to optimize your settings for a smoother gameplay experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card model. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch EAFC25 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve performance. Step 3. Enable VSync. In the graphics settings, enable VSync if it is not already turned on. This can help reduce screen tearing and stuttering by synchronizing the frame rate with your monitor's refresh rate. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve overall performance. Step 5. Optimize game mode settings. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, enable game mode. Go to Settings, Gaming Game Mode and turn it on. This feature prioritizes gaming performance by optimizing system resources for the game. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in frame stuttering during gameplay. Enjoy your gaming experience.